I'd like to introduce you to the Confidant, one of the 5 personas by Shift Facilitation. The Confidant is a great listener, like a good friend, pays close attention, asks great questions, draws you into the conversation. They build trust. They create a safe space for dialogue in the room with the participants, sharing perspectives, understanding the world of the participants. But like a good friend, the Confidant also holds the participants accountable to take action. They can't stay stuck where they are. They have to make some decisions and move things forward. That's the Confidant. Hey, I'm Mo Poirier, founding partner of Shift Facilitation. If you're just discovering the personas and you'd like to meet the other 4, check out 5personas.com.